That factory nose-down stance on your RaV4. It's not doing you any favors, and it's definitely not leaving room for bigger tires. A leveling lift kit fixes both problems in one shot. Better ground clearance, a more aggressive look, and the ability to size up your wheels. 3 solid options here. Links are in the description. Let's get into it. Starting at number 3 with maXpeedingrods, the budget-friendly pick for older RaV4 generations. Precision-machined front strut spacers and rear coil spring spacers lift the suspension and open up room for bigger tires. Bolt-on install, no special tools needed, typically 2 to 4 hours in the driveway. Kit includes front sway bar brackets and brake line extenders so nothing gets stretched or strained at full lift. 1-year warranty plus lifetime technical support. A solid, no-frills way to get that leveled look without spending big. At number 2, ReadyLIFT brings serious engineering pedigree to the table. This offset spacer technology comes straight from their award-winning truck and Jeep lift lineup. 2 inches of front lift, 1.5 inches in the rear, and it retains factory camber and caster, so your alignment stays exactly where it should be. Upgraded sway bar end links eliminate the flex you get with standard relocation brackets. Fully bolt-on installs in about half the time of competing kits, and it's tested compatible with Toyota Safety Sense. Accommodates a properly beefy tire and wheel combo without drama. And the top spot goes to Rough Country's 2.5-inch leveling kit, the most aggressive lift height on this list. Laser-cut front and rear strut spacers give you a precise fit, and shock extension brackets keep the ride quality smooth instead of harsh and jittery. Bump stops and subframe support brackets round out the kit for a setup that feels engineered, not improvised. Levels the front with the rear completely, eliminating that factory nose-down look for good. If you want the boldest stance change on this list, this is it. 3 lift kits for your RaV4, a budget-friendly option for older models, ReadyLIFT's precision-engineered offset spacer setup, and Rough Country's bold 2.5-inch stance change. All the links are in the video description. Check your trim and model year before ordering, since several trims aren't compatible with these kits. If this helped you make the call, subscribe. More RaV4 content is on the way.